Hi there. Can you make good money online without recruiting, affiliate marketing, or selling? Particularly if you are someone who doesn't like selling. I'm going to tell you right now in this video. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video where we'll look at some of the best ways to make money from home. Today we're going to look at one of the best ways to make a decent income online, or even fire your boss. And you can even turn this side hustle into a full-time income in a very short period of time. We're going to look at how you can get started and how to potentially make hundreds per day with day trading, why many give up even before they started, and how you can minimize the risk and headache day trading normally brings to become a successful day trader. Have you ever wondered how the pros seem to do it, sometimes making thousands per day? We are going to look into all of that, and if you stay until the end, I'm going to show you how you can go from a few dollars a day to consistent income each and every week using specific strategies and tools. Obviously, I can't promise you anything about your income or make any claim about how much you can personally make, but we can look at a roadmap that hundreds of others are following that has really helped them and myself have tremendous success so far. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you, and hopefully my channel will become one of your favorites, as I am also on this make money journey, and I hope I can let you know and warn you of obstacles along the way, because I've already gone through that path and found some of the obstacles to help you avoid them. I'll be posting videos often with up-to-date tactics and strategies in the make money niche that actually work. There are so many channels and videos on YouTube with half-stitched methods and ideas that nobody even knew, but my goal is to bring to you my mentors and my 10 plus years personal finance experience in an honest way. So please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for more videos like these. Okay, so let's dive into what day trading is, the specific niche we are going to look at, and the things you must have if you want to do this successfully and make a consistent monthly income from this. If you don't know what day trading is, I'll explain it quickly. It's the practice of buying and selling shares normally on the same day, often via the internet, in order to make a quick profit. Now, most people run when they hear the word trading or day trading, as many think it's very difficult to do and understand, but not if you have the proper training, strategies, and tools to assist you. Okay, so let's dive into the things you must have if you want to become a successful full-time trader and make a consistent monthly income from it. So let's continue. How do you know where to start, and how do you start day trading? Well, there's a company that saw the need for this, and that people don't know where to start, and that fall prey to the myriad of Bitcoin and crypto scams that's out there. So the owners of this company wanted to stop people like you and me from being scammed out of our crypto with promises of huge daily returns from unscrupulous fly-by-night companies. And a bonus too is that the owners are day traders themselves with 10 plus years experience in day trading. And the best of all is they have all this knowledge, training and tools in one place, so you don't have to go looking for proper and safe things in 2 or 3 different places. Okay, so let me start and give you an overview of iCoinPro and what they do. Okay, so if you decide that you would like to learn how to day trade and use the system to make some money, then you will register for a free account so that you can actually access the training. So what I'm going to do now is show you their platform, what it looks like on the inside, the type of training that you can get and learn from. So they have a lot of things inside on the platform, but we are only going to be looking at the training side to see what this is what their homepage looks like. Okay, so let's start and let's go to the top where it says My iCoinPro Training. That is where you will go to enter your training and to start learning. Once we go in there, you will see they have got lots of things there available. Free training, a forum, lots of other things, but we are only going to be looking at the free training, which is what you will be signing up for. If you would like access to the rest, that is a paid membership, actually for a very minimal fee, which is worth it if you look at the massive amount of value and training that you get, that amount starting from like $10 a month. Okay, so in the free training, you will be watching about a 1 hour side. Let's look there. It says how to learn how to buy your first Bitcoin, how to send and receive cryptocurrencies, how to use wallets, making your first money making strategy, which is actually the webinar training that you'll be watching, how to paper trade. So you have to practice trade actually before you start using real money. money. There's some safe links, which is the ones I told you about, which they don't want you to go to scam sites and things like that. So all of that is included there in the free trade. Let's take a quick look at first one, buying your first Bitcoin. Here you can quickly see, just get an idea of what it's about and what you'll be learning. And at the bottom there you can see quickly there are some of those safe links that we talked about. If we go into the free crypto training I talked about, you will see there is the video. So that is where you will go into once you've registered to get access to the. If you opt for the basic paid membership, you will see they have got a forum there where it's like a community. People can ask questions, they answer questions there. You can find trading buddies there, and they have got lots of information there. Some Zoom meetups that was recorded, so there's lots of information you can learn from, and obviously you can also talk to fellow traders. The next section is some core training. We can see there what that entails. So you can learn about the start of cryptocurrencies, where it comes from, the birth of it, some myths around Bitcoins, what are the benefits of cryptocurrencies, do they work, everything about the blockchain, and everything that you need to know or that you maybe didn't know about cryptocurrencies, so you can understand the whole big picture. There's also lots of information about buddy coins for the basic members, which is the $10 a month I think. Okay, and then also you have some advanced trade, teach you even more in depth about cryptocurrencies, the security of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, an overview with what is an ICO, privacy coins, and also other ways that you can make money from cryptocurrency, either through staking, lending, and all those things, not just trading. And they also have a chat box, which is a live chat box, which people can training, which is the two main systems, which is the two basic systems that you will be learning about in the free training, which is they call the buy the squeeze and buy the dip. And here you also get access to exchange calculators, because obviously with all exchanges you pay fees, and they have got, for all these exchanges, they have got fees calculators, so you can work out what fees you're going to be paying on every trade. So they can Binance, Coinbase, Bittrex, Polynex. Okay, they also have another nice calculator, which is called a compounding returns calculator. So let's go see what you can do there with this. There's a video explaining it. Okay, let's try and just do a quick calculation here. I'm gonna use $50. Let's say that is your initial investment or trading amount, and the compounding calculator will work out for you how that amount will compound over whatever specific period of time. So in this example, we're going to look at, you just start with your $50. You're not going to make any other additional money that you're going to put into it in the year. Say we wanted to grow for 1 year. Monthly percentage we'll put on 30%, because in the system they work on a very low average of 1% profit per day on your money. So that's why I'm putting in the 30%. And let's see what it calculates, how much your $50 will compound grow into 1 year's time. So as you can see, the calculator spits out the figures, and it says for 1 year, after 1 year's time, your $50 can grow into $1,797. Okay, going back to the basic training, one of their flagship products is the trade finder that actually finds you trades. So it saves you a lot of time and money, so that you can just quickly find trades to trade without having to go through graphs yourself for hours and hours. Let me quickly show you what it looks on the inside and see. Okay, so it gives you a list of real-time trades and coins that you can trade. You will see there's different exchanges you can choose from depending on the exchange that you're trading on. Binance, Bittrex, Coinbase, Polynex. You can select there according to your. This trade finder is also live, so it's real-time data. You can also select the amount that of the coins that's being traded, $250,000 higher up, depending on the amount that you actually trade. Okay, they also have an RSI spy finder. Okay, you won't know what that means unless you have actually done the training to know what it is, what they're talking about, and how to actually use the tool. So you have to go through the training to know how to use all these tools. As again, you can select the exchange that you're trading on, and also the dollar volume of the specific coins that are being traded in a 24-hour period. If you don't understand these things, what RSI stands for and all those things, don't panic. If you're not a trader and you've got no idea, they teach you all of this in the training so that you know what you're talking about and you understand everything. Also have a nice buddy coin crawler, which is your buddy coins, normally the top 20 coins on the coin market cap. Here you can also select your exchange again, and you can see where it says average low to SMA. That is the potential profit you can make on that specific coin pair against the US dollar, or whatever you set it against. You can set it against BTC as well. So it's just a guide, and from there on you will have to use your training to first assess the trade before you can actually do the trade. But that is just an indicator of the potential profit you can make on that trade with that coin. You can see there like 4.35%, 4%, 3.79. There are different things that it spits out the whole day, every day. Okay, so let's look at the advanced training. If you opt in for wanting to learn more and everything that you can learn to become a pro trader, they have got some extra strategies, the RSI rider, 5 up down, laws of MACD, and they also have some extra calculators that goes with these specific strategies that you use before you are trading. The signals and tools section, you will see here, that is the flagship trade finder, and all the other tools that you can have access to as well. And how do you actually use them, because you will learn the strategy, but how do you use the actual tool? There's training on that as well. So they've got training for everything, and some extra training as well, tips from the top. These are tips from some of the pro traders, so those are recordings of things, zooms, and so lots of extra training that you can also learn from the pros themselves, which is very valuable. Also some training on some of the exchanges, in this case Binance, okay? Everything to do on the platform and exchange, live trades training, and also also have a coin watch section on some of the basic well-known coins. You can see here, you can learn quite a bit there too, read up on it so you understand it. And as you can see, I went there to the super affiliate. If you want to, you can become an affiliate as well to tell others about the system, but it's not compulsory. If you, like me, you're just here to trade, and then you can just trade. Also have a training archive, so there's a list of a lot of video trainings as well that you can have a look at. And let me show you inside. Just scroll down quickly, you can just have an idea of there are many extra training videos as well, so that's what you can also have access to. Another nice feature that they have in the basic training is a tracking sheet, so you can actually track your profit or your loss that you make on every trade. I'll quickly go and show you in what it looks like. So here is what the trading profit loss sheet looks like. Just to give an idea, you can every day or every single trade, however you want, you can keep track of it to see what profit you are making on every trade every day. This is actually my own back office, so here you can see this is like real. This is my profits that I've made in about a week's time, from the 15th of March to the 21st of March. I took a screen recording of this just to show you proof of that this is real, it is legit, and anybody can do it if you do the training. Okay, so I will put a disclaimer in the description of this video, because I have to give you a disclaimer because these results are not typical. Okay, depends on your ability and your skill and what you've learned, but they normally work on an average of 1% profit per day. Here you can see my actual profits, 10%, 2.7, 4.58, but again, it's not typical. It's depending on every person themselves, but this just is an example to show you what can be done. If we go back to the home page, they also have some news on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that you can access there. You don't have to go to Cointelegraph yourself, which is also nice information to keep track of the trends in the news. So you can just quickly see some of the things that's in there. So this is a very comprehensive training system. I think after you've done this training, there is almost nothing that you won't know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Okay, so now that you've discovered what is involved in day trading, and we've shown you the tools and training of how to do this, and maybe you can now see why so many people make a full-time income from this. So all you have to do is check out the link right below this video, and you can start and implement the very stuff we've been talking about in this video. And of course, if you have any comments, please leave them down below and hit the like button, as it helps us to spread the word and knowledge to be able to help more people. I hope that this video has helped you, and I look forward to seeing you again here next time.